Coinbase Card Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? Most people assume crypto cards are just for Bitcoin purchases, but the Coinbase Card in 2025 offers real value for everyday spending. You won't believe how easy it is to earn crypto rewards while shopping. The card allows you to earn up to 4% back in select cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more, depending on your Coinbase account and current promotions. Purchases anywhere Visa is accepted can earn crypto rewards, which are deposited directly into your Coinbase wallet. Additional perks include mobile management, real-time transaction notifications, and the ability to choose which cryptocurrency you earn. There's no annual fee, which lowers the barrier to entry for those new to crypto rewards. The downside? Crypto value can fluctuate significantly, and fees may apply for certain transactions. For users unfamiliar with crypto, this can introduce complexity. Verdict: worth it for crypto enthusiasts who want everyday rewards in digital assets. Leave it if you prefer stable cashback or are uncomfortable with crypto volatility.